this is how you apply your lip combo in this 2025, then you need to be jailed. So on today's video, I'll be showing you the quick and easiest way to line your lips to do a better lip combo without looking trashy. So let's dive straight into it.
Boy, I've been watching you.
First of all, pick a wipes and clean every lip gloss or lip balm you've placed on your lips initially. Then go ahead to use a brown pencil, okay, very sharp, I mean pointed, and outline your lips. You can do overline, you can overline your lips, you can follow the actual line of your lips, okay. Don't be in a hurry, make sure you take your time. I don't know where you're rushing to. Take your time. After outlining my lips, as you can see how it is now, I'm going to go straight to use more like an ox blood. This is from Kiss Beauty. This lip pencil is from Kiss Beauty. The same way I use the brown pencil to outline my lips, that is the same way I'm going to use this ox blood pencil to outline my lips, following the same shape, the same line. To blend everything together, I'm going to go back again using my brown pencil on top of the ox blood pencil I applied to blend everything seamlessly and properly. Using my cheek palette, I'm going to pick a shade of nude and using a flat brush to place it on the center of my lips. Immediately I'm done placing it, I'm going to smack my lips, then go in with a blending brush, fluffy round blending brush, to blend it out properly. Can you see how seamless it's looking? Are you seeing any harsh line? No. Next step, I'm going to be using this Ezekiel lipstick to brighten the color I placed initially. For every placement, please make sure you smack. If you don't want to use a brush to blend, make sure you smack properly for the thing to blend. Can you see how it's coming out already? We have not even glossed the lips, and this is how it is. The lips is already eating. Glossing is optional. You can move with this like this, but I want to gloss it for it to be more pronounced and beautiful. For gloss, you can just go in with your transparent lip gloss if you have. If you don't have, you can make use of Vaseline lip balm if you have it. That is what I used in this video. And here is the final look. This is the easiest and quickest and yet detailed lip combo tutorial you ever see on the internet today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to share, drop a lovely comment, and always turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye.